The new year is a great opportunity to visit your hairstylist because fashions and hairstyles come and go throughout the year. If you have been on social media at all recently, you have probably spotted a few of the hairstyles that are now trending. The butterfly cut, the octopus cut, and the wolf cut are just a few of the new styles that everyone seems to be trying, whether they do it themselves or just let their favorite stylist touch their hair. Now is the moment to get the haircut you have been craving because hairstyles are becoming an increasingly prominent part of people's identities. If you don't like your hairstyle, you can let it grow out and try something new. Here are the top 15 trendy haircuts that you would love to try this 2023. Number 1. Butterfly hair. If you want to go short on your hair but are not quite ready to make the plunge, a butterfly cut could be the solution. Longer layers rest below the shoulders, while shorter layers frame the face and create the illusion of shorter hair. Favorable for those with naturally curly or wavy hair. Number 2. The soft bob. In contrast to the conventionally neat bob, the soft bob is less formal and more relaxed. It is a great way to show off your natural hair structure and flow without the typical angularity of a bob. This style is perfect for individuals who have naturally wavy hair and for those with fine hair who want more structure and movement. Number 3. Long layers. Some shorter cuts are making a splash in 2023, but long, layered hair will always be in vogue. Long hair with natural wave or texture benefits the most from the added body and movement that layers provide. They are low maintenance, gorgeous when grown out, and offer a wide range of styling options. Number 4. Chanel haircut. Inspired by Coco Chanel's iconic bob, the current Chanel bob is choppy and short, falling just below the chin. This style is characterized by a deep side part and is frequently accessorized with bangs that give off a French flair. The low-maintenance nature of this style is almost as appealing as the sexiness and sleekness that result from its simplicity. Number 5. Octopus haircut. This style, named for a type of sea monster, is characterized by long, layered pieces that rest on or past the shoulders and a lot of volume on top. The octopus cut is the most recent variation on the shag and mullet that have been so popular recently, and it's easy to wear because it does not call for a lot of style effort while still looking beautiful. Number 6. Wolf cut. The wolf cut, a cross between the shag and the mullet, has recently risen in popularity thanks to the hundreds of TikTok fans who have taken to cutting their own hair in an attempt to imitate the trend. This style is perfect if you want a cut that gives you fullness on top and some texture and movement on the sides and back. Number 7. The pixie. Since short hairstyles are expected to be popular in 2023, we may expect to see numerous iterations on the traditional pixie cut. This includes variations on the style, such as longer bangs, longer backs, and overall shorter lengths. Number 8. Wispy Bangs. Wispy bangs are trending in 2023, and with good cause. These will look great on nearly everyone and give every hairdo, regardless of length, softness, and movement. Number 9. Short shag. One of the most common fashion trends of the year 2023 is the fusion of these two sizzling styles. Even though your hair is short, that should not stop you from rocking a shag. If you want to try a shorter style but not ready to commit to a pixie or bob, this is a fantastic option. This shag is perfect for those with medium to thick hair because of the volume it provides. Number 10. Curtain bang short bob. Curtain bangs soften the look of a short, blunt bob. Curtain bangs provide you styling alternatives with a short bob that you might not have otherwise. Number 11. Mid-length hair. Mid-length hair will remain fashionable this year. We are seeing a lot of mid-length cuts that embrace texture and show off waves, making this cut not only beautiful to look at but also simple to style and maintain. The bombshell blowout is also making a comeback in 2023 and looks fantastic on medium-length hair. Number 12. Full curls. Straighten your hair because voluminous, bouncy curls are having a trend. Curls are back and more beautiful than ever after years of straight hair dominating the trends. Endless guides demonstrating how to rock your natural curls have been shared online, contributing to it becoming one of 2023's greatest trends. Adding a fringe is even more fashionable this year. Number 13. Curtain bangs. These long, enveloping bangs complement a wide range of facial shapes and hair lengths and textures. They can be worn in many different ways and are a terrific way to give your one-length hair a little variety. Number 14. The Curly Shag. Curly shags will be big in 2023. The shag offers top volume while reducing side and end bulk. Curly fringe is another 2023 trend that accentuates the face. Number 15. The textured bob. The textured bob is low maintenance, seductive, and stylish all at the same time. In order to achieve volume without resorting to excessive layering, try texturizing the ends of a classic bob. If you are in search of an easygoing look, this is it. What was your favorite style? Leave your comments below and let us know. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.